When you're investing in security products to protect your home, you want something that not only keeps intruders out, but also looks sleek and integrated. This is where our hidden installation technology, HIT, comes in. HIT focuses on 4 key principles: aesthetics, tamper resistance, high performance, and safe, easy use. Tamper resistance is where HIT really stands out. We have made sure that all fixings are hidden, either inside recessed channels concealed by cover strips or within the frame itself, so the sash covers them when closed. Fasteners are totally inaccessible from the outside or recessed deep in channels, so intruders can't grip them with tools like pliers. Our concealed fixed receivers and style interlocks are up to 6 times stronger than conventional designs, especially in double sliding or corner stacking systems, exceeding the Australian standards AS 5039. HIT accessories make prowler-proof sliding doors easier to use. End caps on the receivers block light gaps and stop insects sneaking through. Inbuilt finger grips let you open and close them smoothly, while the built-in mohair provides a soft, quiet close that eliminates rattling noises. Exclusive to Prowler-Proof, HIT is how we ensure your sliding doors and hinge window screens don't just perform, but look and feel like they were made for your home. Because at Prowler-Proof, we're all about creating a safer place at your place.